was a farmer and my dadi used to keep hens in a pen in the garden. And every night अचानक हम जागते थे क्योंकि मेरी दादी की मुर्गी को टाइम का कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था. And it used to go कुड़ुक्कू कुड़ुक्कू in the middle of the night. And they would all run helter-skelter because even they had no idea कि time क्या है and it is still night. So in the morning, my granny would go into the pen while I stood outside with a little pail. And she'd come back and make us mean breakfast with fresh eggs. So today, I'm going to cook for you my granny's favorite, skillet baked eggs. I'm going to start with a lovely skillet. Into this skillet, I'm going to smear some butter. A nice good amount. Then into this, some finely chopped onions, peppers, red pepper, yellow pepper, and green pepper, and then a little garlic, crack a few eggs. That's it, we are done. Over this, I'm going to be putting a little bit of cream. Now into this, I'm going to be putting some cheese, pepper, some salt, and some spring onions. Now this is going to cook in our preheated oven about 200 degrees, 5 to 7 minutes basically. So it really depends on how you want to eat your eggs. So some people like their eggs runny, so you have to probably put it for a little less time. If you like the yolks of your eggs fully cooked, then I guess it is a little extra time. So this is something that's a personal choice, so I'm going to leave that to you. Here, ready. I think now what you should do is take a look at our recap and come right back.
To make skillet baked eggs, in a skillet, smear 1 tablespoon butter, add 2 finely chopped onions, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 chopped yellow bell pepper, 1 chopped green capsicum, 5 to 6 chopped garlic pods, 5 eggs, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, 100 gram grated cheese, black pepper powder to taste, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoon chopped spring onions. Now in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, bake for 5 to 7 minutes. Your skillet baked eggs are ready.